What's the most unlikely ingredient that's taken the internet by storm, with users on TikTok swearing by its benefits and sharing their own experiences with the gelatin trick? As it turns out, it's a simple, old-fashioned favorite that's been hiding in plain sight: gelatin. The gelatin trick has become a staple in many users' daily routines, and its popularity can be attributed to its simplicity and flexibility. You can dissolve it in water, add it to your favorite smoothie, or even use it as a gelling agent in your favorite desserts, all while reaping the benefits of the gelatin trick. My friend, who's been trying out the gelatin trick, noticed a significant improvement in her overall well-being. Her skin looked clearer, and she had more energy throughout the day, all thanks to the gelatin trick. As she delved deeper into the world of gelatin trick enthusiasts on TikTok, she discovered a community of like-minded individuals who shared their own stories and tips on how to incorporate the gelatin trick into their daily lives. Researchers say that the gelatin trick can help support healthy digestion, which is probably why so many people are jumping on the bandwagon. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and want to learn more, check out the link in my description for a detailed explanation of how to get started with the gelatin trick. Head to the pinned comment below to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, and let's keep the conversation going.